Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to today's pronunciation podcast. My name is Syara Nuraini and I'll be your host. And in this episode, we're going to learn about something very important in English pronunciation animal pairs. Today we're joined by special guest. And hi Amanda, welcome to the podcast.
Hi, thank you for having me. Let me introduce myself. I'm Amanda Mulyani, and I'm happy to be here and share something helpful for English learner.
Okay, we're excited to learn from you. So let's begin. What are minimal pairs? First, could you explain what minimal pairs are?
Sure, minimal pairs are pairs of words that sounds almost the same but differ by only one sound. That one small difference actually changes the meaning of the word. For example, is sheep, ship and sheep. They look similar, but they have different vowel sounds.
So just one small sound can change the meaning?
Exactly, and many Indonesian learners struggle with this because our language doesn't use short and long vowels like English does.
Okay, can you give us more example?
Of course, repeat after me. Beat. Okay, I will give you example. First is beat and beat. Can you see? The first is BIT and the second is BEAT. The second example is live, live and live. Live LIVE and LEAVE.
Okay, I can hear the difference more clearly. No short vowels, fast long vowel.
Okay, great. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. We say together, right? Sheep, sheep.
Sheep, sheep,
Sit, sit.
sheep, sheep, and
Beat, beat. Hit, hit.
hit, hit,
Live, live.
live, live.
Okay.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn to guess. I will say one word. You decide is it the first word or the second word?
Okay. Maybe Sarah can be the listeners. Okay. Ready, Sarah?
Okay,
First
ready?
is sheep.
Sheep,
Second is sheep.
sheep,
The
sheep,
the third is sheep.
sheep,
The fourth is live.
live,
The last is beat.
bit.
Okay. And there are the answer is the first is sheep. That's SHEEP. The second is sheep, SHIP. The third is seed, SEAT. The fourth is leaf, LEFVE, and the last is the last or the five is BEAT. Beat. How many did you get correct, Sarah?
Uh, Five.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, before we finish, let's try a fun tongue twister.
Okay. Repeat after me. Uh, the sheep on the ship said, "Please don't tip it."
Okay, let's try slowly first. The ships on the ship say, please don't tip it.
Okay. Can you do the faster version?
Okay, the ship on the ship say, please don't tip it.
Okay, can you read by normal version? Normal version.
The sheep on the ship said, please don't tip it.
Okay, thank you, Sarah.
Okay, that was fun. Thank you so much, Manda, for sharing your knowledge today.
Okay, my pleasure. I hope everyone continues practicing minimal pace because small pronunciation change can really affect meaning.
Okay, absolutely. And thank you to our listeners for joining. Keep practicing and see you in our next episode. Bye
Okay,
bye.
thank you. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Amanda Mulyani and I'm here with.
Syiara Tirwayuni.
Okay, we will do the podcast about minimal pace. Okay, Sarah. So, what's the definition and key concept?
So, minimal pairs are pairs of words that differ in meaning by only one sound or phoneme. Simple example, sheep or sheep. Using minimal pairs helps students A. distinguish sounds or perceptions, and B. produce sounds or correctly or production, and C. reduce miscommunication due to pronunciation.
Okay, and why it's important in detail?
Okay, in details, phonemic perceptions are minimal pairs. Practice trains the ear to detect small phonemic difference that affect meaning. And then focus productions. Students learn to modify the position of the tongue, lips, and vocal cords, and to produce the necessary difference. And communicative errorsnya, reducing unintentional homopony, example sheep or sheep.
Okay, so what's the engaging activities and variety of the material?
Okay, there are minimal pairs sweeping game. Students have word cards when the teacher say swap if your heart. They swap cards. And then tongue twister minimal pairs create quick sentences containing pairs. And last, recording and self-evaluation. Students record word or sentence, compare them to the model, and complete a self-rating checklist. Or example, there are intonation, vowel length, and voice.
Thank you. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.